What's up guys, I'm back, and in today's video you have to try. I recently came across this. It's called Boomba, the newest fashion hack I've come across, you guys. These are the Boomba invisible lift inserts and they are so good. Wait till I put them on. Come in the cutest little box. Wow. These are the inserts. Like a good 2 cup sizes up. So if you want to be bigger, more voluminous, and just fuller and more pushed together, then these are the inserts for you. So let's get them on. Double-sided adhesive so that when you put them to your actual top, they're going to stick to your top, and then you scoop up your boob and put it in place to get the perfect cleavage. You're going to see what I mean in 1 second. They also come in so many different colors. There is a wide range to fit everyone. I got the demi insert ones, okay, and they are washable. This adhesive though, you guys, it's actually so sticky. This boob just grew 3 sizes. Lift and pull. Oh my gosh, it works. This looks so much better